time to install our king. So I'll start by unfolding the mouth, but you can wear it without unfolding the mouth. So after that, I'll have to install it. Let me show you how to wear it correctly. You don't just put it that way. The bump there, right there, will show. You place it like this, then use the rope and wrap it. Use the ribbon and wrap around the hair like up to 2 times. When you are done, you flip the hair the other side and grab little pieces of the hair out of the one you are holding and go around, start wrapping around the hair to secure it. Go over and over and over again. And you did the same to the other side. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. Can you see how full that is looking? Thank you for watching up till now. Please do it to like, subscribe to encourage me, and hit that notification bell and also support my channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. I thank my old and new subscribers. You guys are the best. You are the reason why I'm creating this video. If you have any video idea you want me to do for you, any correction, drop it on the comment section. I'll attend to you. See you in my next video. Bye.